boy, do I have a treat for you today, guys. We got the new LV2 in the house. We got the Ego 1.0, 1.6, and they're both gonna let you know how they feel about this brand new LV2, baby. It is official. The hype is real. Check it out.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want, and I always give it.
I paid $500 for it, and it's probably worth right around that. Probably good. We got a pretty good deal on it. Shoots perfect.
How does it compare to some of the other guns you have?
The DMAs are really heavy in comparison. They're old and leak all the time. They don't work when they would need to, and reliability is key.
Yeah.
It's my first new edition gun that has a hard line instead of soft line. I hate soft line.
And that's the Ego 1.0?
That's the Ego 1.0, yeah.
The LV 1.6, the previous model. Went ahead and got it a couple weeks ago on a good deal, and decided to save a little money, get the previous model. Haven't got to put it on the field yet, just got it. But as of this far, it shoots lasers. I can't wait. Stepped up from a Empire 6 before this. I was out of the game for about 10 years. I used to shoot autocockers. I shot micro mags. I had shockers, so this is a little bit more extended than most of my previous guns. Everything lately, it seems, has been getting a little bit compact, so I'm glad to be something that's a little more extended and fits a bigger guy a little bit better. So I'm loving it this far.
How do you like the LV2?
I like it. It shoots a ball on ball, and shoots a good rope, and it's quiet and it's super smooth.
What gun did you have before the LV2?
The GO4. To me, the LV2 shoots smoother, has more of a poppet, and the GO4, it shoots, but it's more like a lob.
More like a lob, right? Okay. Now, you just shot the TM40. What would you say, just from the little bit of shooting that you did with it, what would you say the difference is between the LV2 and the TM40?
I really can't tell the difference right now. I don't know enough about that.
What about the ergonomics of them, the feel of them?
The LV2, for my size, big hands, is more comfortable than the TM40.
Okay. What advice would you give anybody getting a new gun?
Find something that works for you. A lot of the higher end guns is depending on what position you play and what you're comfortable with playing, and that should matter what gun you get.
The front grip on it feels like they're going in that same design pattern as the CS2 and the GO4. Of course, CS2 has a more blocky grip, whereas the GO4 has a more ergonomic and curved grip. And I feel like the LV2 is following that CS2 with the more blocky style grips, which I could be wrong. It's just my first time touching it. I don't know.
Now, if you had to go play a tournament tomorrow, which gun would you choose? TM40 or LV2?
TM40.
Ah, you Lux lover. Huh?
LV2, I like the shot a little bit better with this LV2 than the Lux. Lux feels like it sort of forces the balls out a little bit more than this.
Broke a few balls of paint in the barrel, and when I got ready to squeegee it out, the barrel was clean.
You heard it from the owner. This barrel, I think they're on something with this barrel. Ergonomics goes to the TM40, trigger goes to the LV2, barrel goes to the LV2, and then we have the insert for the S63. And then we have the insert. Oh, they're a little bit longer. Them boys are getting on the XL. Yeah, boy. Check this out, my paintballer. All right, so we have an 8-inch control bore, and this is like 8 1/4. So it's a little bit longer. They said, hey, we're going a little bit longer with this, just a tad bit. I don't know if that's helping with the better shot, but hey, this is how you release the bolt on the Lux. Boom, you have access to your bolt right there. It's all inside this little compartment. Probably have like 4 or 5 different little pieces that go in there. Boom, just like that, guys. I didn't know that was that easy. And boom, look at that.
And the ram's inside there.
Yeah, and then you got his rammer in there, and this is the difference right here. This will change up your shot, guys. So, if you're in the market for a new gun, you want an LV2 or a TM40 or just a Lux in general or a Planet Eclipse in general, make sure you know if you're getting a Poppet or a spool valve, all right? There is a difference in shot, depending on where you want to play in the field. hey, it's up to you, but no, you have options. So
This also comes with the heavy ram and light ram.
you got a heavy ram and light ram. See, I didn't even know that.
It has nothing to do with accuracy or lobbing the ball or anything. It's just the way it feels. Put the soft rim in there. They say, I hadn't done it yet. They said it's gives it more of a quieter, smoother shot.
I like the grip better on it, for sure.
The grip, you like the grip better on it?
Yeah, bigger, wider. It's easier to hold on to.
Okay. What about the shot?
Little crisp. Maybe I'm just not used to it, you know? Like, because I'm just used to a different, it feels, it's definitely different. Hard to describe.
Crispier is how you explained
smoother,
it.
Slightly smoother. It's good, but it's good though. And this also has one of those freak barrel kits on it that I haven't shot with before either.
Yeah, that's the new S63, bro.
Yeah,
And
so I'm not
it's
familiar with it.
working
I
good.
use a whatever gun came with the Ego, and I used to shoot with ultralights on DMH, so that's the only
Awesome,
experience
dude.
I have. But it's a nice gun.
So, out of rate it from 0 to 5 stars.
0 to 5 stars, I would give it 4.1.
I'd beat the kid every time.
Not bad. LV2 here. You know, I hate to be this person, but I kind of like the pipe on it. Like, that gives me a little extra leverage when I'm pressing my gun in and out of the bunker. So I do like, you know, I kind of miss that. I like it. I'm that weird guy that likes the pipe on it. Sound signature sounds good. Feels good. A little bit more, I think the 1.6 got a little more milling on it. Feels like it's a little more cut down on it. But all in all, shoots just as good as any of them. I mean, it's an Ego. It's going to shoot great no matter what. So.
Do you think the 1.6 may be a little lighter?
It's hard to tell because I haven't actually done the exact same setup on it that I run, but I mean, it's hard to tell. I'm not really 100% sure on that one. All in all, it feels good. I mean, it's at this kind of level, you're not getting a bad gun. I'm calling this is like a 4.5, 4.8 all day long.
Yeah, out of
This
5
barrel
stars.
system looks really
4.5.
sweet. I can't, I don't use the shaft propel that came on my 1.6. I've been using a Freak system, so I do really like this barrel system a lot more. If I would have gone with the, the 2, I probably would have kept this barrel and not gone with a Freak setup on it. So all in all, seems like a great marker. Ready to drop that cash, go for it.
What barrel do you have on your 1.6?
I've got a Freak on it right now.
Freak?
Got a Freak up.
Do you think you're gonna get the S63 barrel?
I might even have to go once it's more available on the market and I can get some of the color combos that I wanted because I couldn't find it on the market yet. So once I can, I might end up having to check that barrel out because it definitely has good sound to it.
Now, from an Ego owner, you rate it, what, 4.5
I'm
stars?
going like 4.5, yeah, definitely.
4.5?
Yeah, the only reason I'm not going more is because, why you gotta keep so much money, man?
Yeah.
Give me that $1,400 gun all day long. So.
All right, so this is the question. Your 1.6 versus the LV2. Would you upgrade your 1.6 to the LV2? People out there in your situation, would you upgrade or just keep
You know
your
me,
1.6?
I'm not a pro, I'm not a top level tournament player, I'm a weekend warrior. I'm killing them out 1.6, save a little extra cash, come out and play more weekends. And also, like I said, I like that pipe to give me that extra leverage to press the gun out, give me some of that point from the gun out. So I'm still staying at this 1.6. Money wasn't an option, and I was had the money come out. Yeah, I might go for it, but right now, keep money on the field, keep coming out, save the money on the gun.
Sounds good, bro. Appreciate it, man. I thank you so much, dude.
I appreciate you, Rusty. I know the people watching appreciate it. Be looking on more videos to come, man. See you out on the field, bro.